स्वस्थ रहने के लिए आहार पर ध्यान देना बहुत जरूरी है। हमारी आहार विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर सची सोहल हमें बताएंगे एक डाइट प्लान स्वस्थ रहने के लिए।
A healthy diet contains adequate amount of calories, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and adequate amount of fats and oils which are required for daily activities. These should be balanced in terms of the physical activity which one does according to the lifestyle practices. If somebody is doing a sedentary lifestyle, like supposing these activities like a general desk job is involved, teaching is involved, so these kind of activities are sedentary kind of activities wherein not much of calories are required. So basically the diet is also planned according to the activity level, the age, the particular gender. The calories and proteins are balanced accordingly. As it is said that you should have your breakfast like a king, your lunch as a queen and dinner as a pauper. So the breakfast should be ideally a balanced breakfast one should take to kickstart a day with good energy levels. One should never skip the breakfast because otherwise the entire day one feels lethargic. Breakfast should be ideally containing of a protein source, a cereal should be taken, a fruit should be taken which forms a healthy portion of the breakfast. A cereal can be taken in the form of oats, whole wheat dalia can be taken, or cornflakes, wheat flakes can be taken, and a fruit is essential, a fruit like banana which contains adequate amount of calories and proteins, or some other fruit like apple can be taken. Milk can be taken which is a good source of calcium and protein which is required for the breakfast, and then small frequent meals at regular intervals should be taken there so that there is not much gap between the breakfast and the lunch timing. A mid-meal is very important wherein one can take things like coconut water, some juice, some fruits, sprouts can be taken, and then one should switch on to lunch. Lunch should be adequate in the form of one can take boiled rice which starch can be removed from that so that not much calories come from carbohydrates. Wheat chapatis can be taken, dal can be taken, curd should be taken in adequate amounts. Salad is a must to provide roughage to the meal, and then later on in the evening one can have either tea, which should be preferably can take green tea which contains a lot of antioxidants, or a healthy beverage like coconut water can be taken, or any other herbal tea can be taken, or some healthy beverage like a juice can be taken. The meals should be taken at an interval of 2 to 2.5 hours to maintain a healthy body weight and to decrease the symptoms of hyperacidity. So one should take in between the tea time and the dinner time, one should take something, some small snack or some beverage, maybe a soup or some juice can be taken in between, or some portion of some roasted snack like roasted makhanas, roasted chanas can be taken which can maintain the hunger cramps. Dinner should be at least taken 2 hours before you sleep so that the body assimilates the food which has been taken, and this will help in preventing the development of belly fat and other diseases which could occur like hyperacidity and other problems, so that the food which is eaten gets digested well. Dinner should be the lightest portion of the meal. It should be taken in a light meal should be taken, not too much of heavy and fried foods which contain a lot of spices should not be taken at dinner because if it is not assimilated well, it can cause a lot of indigestion problems and hyperacidity.
डाइट पे अधिक जानकारी के लिए लॉग ऑन करें onlymyhealth.com।